we're going to put him in the blue. There he goes. There's the blue one. Now you ready to do another one?
I'm ready to do the orange one.
Okay.
Orange one.
Orange one. Color on that one. Make it pretty. Are you drawing a picture on there? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. So like this. Put it in the yellow. Okay, well, so I think that one's actually the orange color. So Mama messed it up. Do you have the color? Let me see this. Look, I'm going to write Nicholas. Nikolauss. Nicholas. Put it in here. Whoa, there it goes.
Yellow.
Yeah. Should we make one for Anders? Okay, Anders.
Nicholas, can you say hi?
Hi.
N-D-E.